In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unverified phone numbers for Google Ads call campaigns. This process is straightforward, and in just a few minutes you'll be ready to enhance your ad campaigns with verified contact numbers. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads website. This is the starting point for managing your ad campaigns, including fixing any issues with unverified phone numbers. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. Click on it and enter your login information. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're already running campaigns, simply logging in will suffice. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home, which is essentially the dashboard where you manage and overview all your campaigns. From this homepage, you need to look for and click on the Goals section. This is where the magic begins. By accessing goals, you're starting the process of setting the desired actions you want users to take when interacting with your ads. This includes call conversions. Next up, navigate to the conversions section. This area is crucial as it serves as the core for managing and monitoring your conversion actions, including phone call conversions. When you're in the conversions tab, look for the option that says new conversion action and click on it. This is where you'll start setting up a new conversion action specifically for phone calls. Now you will see options for various types of conversions. Choose phone calls because you're aiming to fix the verification issue associated with phone numbers tied to your call ads. By selecting phone calls, you instruct Google Ads on the kind of user interaction you want to track, which in this case involves validating your phone numbers. Throughout this setup, ensure your phone numbers are entered correctly and are consistent with what you've listed in your ads. Google may request additional verification, such as sending a text to the listed number or asking for documentation confirming the number's ownership. Carefully follow any on-screen prompts to complete these steps, ensuring the system verifies your phone numbers. By following this process, you're not only fixing verification issues but also optimizing your Google Ads campaigns for better performance. Verified phone numbers enhance the credibility of your ads, making potential customers more likely to reach out. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to address unverified phone numbers in your Google Ads call campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.